function today on our Ninja Foodies and creating prawn toasts that taste so good, and I promise you these are really easy. I'm going to be using a bagel because it just looks quite nice and gives a nice flavour as well. And then we're going to make these super tasty. Sesame seeds, there's ginger, there's garlic, sesame oil, lots and lots of flavour. Finishing it off with a nice drizzle of sweet chili sauce. I'm sure you're going to absolutely love these, so please hit the like button for me. Don't forget to subscribe as well if you're looking for more air fryer ideas, or of course using your full Ninja Foodi and making the most of every single function. Then subscribe down below because it's free to do so. You can also turn on that notification bell and YouTube will let you know when I upload another video. So if you are new, then obviously thank you so much for joining, and if you're returning, then I really do appreciate that as well. The full recipe is going to be over on my website if you do want the printable recipe. Crazily, we've now got over 400 recipes on my subscription. So it's really inexpensive and you have access to all of those recipes. You can print them, you can make them at any point, and it's an annual subscription, so you've got all year to use all of those recipes. Plus I'm putting new ones on every single week. Sometimes it's 2, 3, 4 recipes a week that go on there. So it's really building up really fast. And then lastly, of course, my cookbooks are also available over on my website. So let's go and grab the ingredients and let's start cooking. Today we're making prawn toasts, which are really easy because we're going to be air frying these. Not too many ingredients, and we're going to top them with a gorgeous sweet chili sauce. Now it's optional. I'm using a pestle and mortar. You don't have to do that. But I have prepared my prawns here, as you can see. Now you want to obviously make sure that they're shelled, and I have spent a bit of time deveining these. I absolutely hate that job. I don't know about you, but it's kind of essential, isn't it? So it's got to be done. So get those prawns straight in there. To the prawns, we're going to add our soy sauce. But let's actually first give these a little bash, shall we? Just want to break them up. You could do this with the back of your knife. You could chop them up finely, that's another option. But I just felt like this is kind of an easy way. Still want them a little bit chunky. I just give them a little bash like this. Okay, we can do a little bit more of that as we go along. So I'm going to want a teaspoon of soy sauce. So let's measure that in. There you go. Gonna want some sesame oil, which if you've seen my other videos, you know how much I love this. It's got a really gorgeous nutty flavour to it. Always a little bit smaller on this. You don't need too much. Half a teaspoon should be plenty. And then I've already prepared around a teaspoon, I would say, of some freshly chopped up ginger. And then I've got just a small spring onion there, which I've diced up nice and finely. I'm choosing just to use a small garlic clove. If you want a larger one or a little bit more, you can do that, but I think that's enough for what we like. And then just to show you these, we've got sweet chili sauce, and then I've got some sesame seeds that I just keep in a little jar there. So they are going to be ready for a moment. So let's go again with giving this a nice mix and a little bash. And that's just going to make sure that this gets really well combined together. Got a few prawns in there still. They're a little bit whole. So just bash those up until you're happy with those. That's going to make a really nice topping to go onto our bagel. So I've got a nice big chunky bagel here. Mine's got seeds on it. You can have a plain one. You can use whatever you like. A flavour you enjoy. We are getting there. You're going to want to use raw prawns for this. These were ones from the freezer, and I just defrosted those before I used those. And you want to do that because obviously it's going to go onto air fry and then they're going to cook. If you were to use already cooked prawns, they'd just overcook and they wouldn't be that nice. Right, that is looking pretty good to me. I've got some chunkier pieces, I've got some smaller pieces, and that's kind of what I wanted to achieve. So now all we do is bring in our bagel, give this a little scrape down, and we want to load our bagel up with our lovely prawn topping here. There you go. So now you just want to spread this over. No need to toast it first. It's going to go in the air fryer. The air fryer is going to do all of the work for us. So if you want yours a little bit smoother, you can go smoother with this. It smells really, really gorgeous. Last little bit. Making sure I'm getting all of the ginger and the spring onions. And just covering the bagel completely. Obviously you can share this. You can have this as one portion. I think realistically it's probably one portion. It's a nice big bagel though. If you wanted a little bit more filling, you could just use slightly more prawns if you wish to, if you've got quite a big bagel like me. Some of the bagels are smaller and this amount is kind of more than plenty really. So just going to mush that down, really push that down onto the bagel so it's covering it really nicely. And that's when we get our sesame seeds. And I'm just going to sprinkle those sesame seeds over the top. So probably want a teaspoon total. There you go. That is brilliant. And then we won't be using the sweet chili sauce until the end. So let's get those into the basket and on air fry. Okay, so into the basket, like so. These are big bagels. I think they're only just going to fit in my air fryer basket. Let's get the lid down. Power up your Ninja, get it onto air fry. I'm going to go with 200 and I think around 8 minutes this should take. I will check though at around sort of 6 to 7 minutes, see how we're getting on. So I let it run for 8 minutes and they look gorgeous. Let's dive in. Let's grab one so I can show you. Look how toasty they are. And those prawns you can see, look, you can see they're pink in there. These look absolutely delicious. And of course, with a drizzle of that sweet chili sauce, they're gonna be even better. Okay, second one coming out. They look absolutely beautiful. As I said, you can cook them a little bit less. It's really down to sort of personal preference on how you want your prawns cooked really. But I would probably say up to 8 minutes. 8 minutes, it looks plenty, but you could go a little bit less. Means that your bagel is nice and crisp as well, which obviously is really nice. So we want now, I suppose, a drizzle. How much do you think this is gonna be? Let's have a look. Maybe a tablespoonish of sweet chili sauce over the top, just like that. And they are ready to serve. How quick and easy was that? And so delicious.